Ohayo! Have you ever cooked Japanese rice before? Today I'm gonna teach you how to cook Japanese rice so nicely. Okay, so the first tip is choose correct rice. So I have prepared my favorite rice from my prefecture, Chiba. I live in Tokyo now, but this one is from my home, like prefecture. So Chiba is next to Tokyo, and there are my two favorite brands of rice. One is Koshihikari, which is pretty popular here. The second one is called Milky Way. If you have a chance to visit Japan, you can find Koshihikari everywhere. Okay, so let's get started. These are the ingredients. This is rice. It says koshihikari in Japanese. Earthenware pot, or of course you can use this kind of like thick pan. I love Whistler, and a measurement cup. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna add rice. First, get rid of the first water real quick, because otherwise our rice may absorb the starch. And without water, stir. This is like soft polishing. 20 to 30 times. Then get rid of this water. You can see this white water with starch. In old days in Japan, like about 500 years ago, women had long hair used to use this like starch from rice as a treatment for hair. Okay, again the same thing. Stir about 20 to 30 times. How many times did I do already? Maybe 25, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay. So twice, rinse twice. In all the recipes, they say that you have to rinse until the water gets translucent, but rice polishing, like rice milling technology has been much better now, so you don't need to do that. Okay, so that's it. Now I'm gonna add water. It's gonna be better to use cold water. So the water should be 120% of initial volume of rice. Okay, so I'm gonna add 20% more. Okay. Everyone look, it starts boiling, right? So now we're gonna put the lid on. 13 minutes, 1-3, with lower heat. The tip is, if you see the steam like this, pretty active, right? Okay, so that's the right flame. But it should never be, pretty high. Oh, it smells amazing already. Turn off the flame and 10 minutes. Leave it for 10 minutes. This is the moment that we have been looking for. Ah, beautiful. It's shining on surface. It smells amazing. So mix from the bottom. Oh, nice and crispy. I love this smell when it's cooked on the stove. Though I have rice cooker, I prefer cooking on a flame, to be honest. Beautiful. Itadakimasu. It's shining. Oh, good. Oishii. Just after cooking is the best. If it's cooked well, actually you don't need to put something on top because sweetness of rice comes straight to your mouth. おいしい。またね。